Hello bakers! This week I'm baking a spiced honey cake by Yossy Arefi from her brilliant book Snacking Cakes. I'm making half the amount. It was originally like a big sheet cake and I made a round cake 15cm tin. So first up it's runny honey into a bowl. She recommends wildflower honey but I couldn't find any, so I just used normal runny honey. And then some brown sugar, and as I'm doing half the amount I'm weighing out half an egg very carefully. it's tense stuff going on here. And then it's some vegetable oil. I think any kind of neutral oil will work. And then some buttermilk. I literally had just dregs left, so it just about fitted in, which was perfect. And then some vanilla extract. And some cinnamon, which is the spice element, and some salt. I used half the amount of salt because I used table salt, and then it gets mixed together. I did have to scrape it down a bit when it was mixing because the honey just stuck to the bottom. That was me fighting with my little mixer tool. And then some plain flour and some bicarbonate of soda and baking powder, and then mixed together again. And then just poured into the tin. I love this book so much. It's all so easy. Also, I love the colour of that batter. It's like golden, and always like honey cake always makes me feel like it's hobbits. That was me. She recommends then like scraping down the surface of the cake, or not scraping down, like levelling out with the spatula, but it's very liquid batter, so I just looked at it and I was like, I don't need that. So then almonds on top and into the oven. Mine took 35 minutes. She says it could take 25 to 35. Mine took 35 minutes until it was all puffed and golden. And then trying to get it out of the tin without like spilling off too many almonds from the top. You see a nice kind of deep golden brown. So it's pretty much completely cooled down. I think it's dipped slightly. Let's have a little try. Feels kind of springy. Sorry if you can hear the wash machine going in the background. It's a nice kind of, there is a slight kind of almost dense line. I don't know if that's mixing or not too bad. Might just be the honey. Okay, let's try. It's nice. It's moist and it's quite a simple flavour, I think. I mean, she does recommend using wildflower honey, so I think that would add a bit more complexity to it. It's quite this kind of simple sweetness, but I mean, it's nice. It's probably really nice with maybe some berries alongside, maybe a bit of yogurt. Nice cup of tea. I think I'd prefer if a bit more maybe stronger on the spices, because I can't really taste the cinnamon, and also maybe if it was a bit nuttier, so maybe there was ground almonds in it, or it almost had some whole flour, that might work. But it is good. I sound like I'm being really negative. It is really nice. It's yeah, it's kind of fluffy and it's very comforting. Just different from honey cakes I've had before. But yeah, I enjoyed it. Okay, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.